Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Tech Tuesday. Today is an extremely exciting day because I have been talking about how forever I wanted to get one of the robot vacuums, and I used to have one in my old apartment a long time ago. Well, I'm home at my parents' house and I'm about to unbox the Neato BotVac Connected. And I was reading, and apparently you can connect it to Wi-Fi and your smartphone and all kinds of stuff. I'm so excited. The things that get me excited. Oh, oops. Step one. Oh, there's a little puppy right here. Look how cute. Ooh, look at this. He looks so cute. He's like a little robot. You are my friend. Do you want to be my friend? What is this telling me to do? Pull this button? Do I pull this? Oh, okay. Off, on. Okay. Look at you, you're looking real cute. This is great. What's in here? Probably all of the things to make it work. You're an upgrade cable. You look like a little teeny tiny comb. There's a lot of parts here. I might have to read the directions. Here's the charging dock. It looks like your leg is broken. Why are you sitting like that? Cord. So this looks like, if I recall from the previous version that I had before, this is kind of like a little magnetic type of strip, so it'll block off places where you don't want it to go, like down steps or wherever you don't want it to go. As much as I hate reading directions, I'm gonna read the directions. First things first, you're the realist. I'm elderly, I can't see this stuff anymore. What does it say? I can't quite see it. Dirt bin filler laser top cover. This is the laser top cover. Okay. Oh, he's doing things. Guys, he's doing stuff. What do I do now? Holy! Oh, excuse you. Please open my dirt bin and push switch to on. He's talking to me. Do you want to do you want to be my friend? On. Sorry, buddy. I was just finagling you here. Hello, my name is Neato BotVac. I'm super cute and sexy. You can call me... What should I call him, guys? He needs a name. I'm not gonna take responsibility for this. Whoa! Hey, I wasn't ready yet! I was not ready! I've not finished setting up your settings yet! Already doing his job! Can you guys even? Hey, little guy. How's everything going for you? He's doing a good job. Here he comes! What is that, Maddie? Get it! Get it, Maddie! Get it! He actually never barks. Let's clean up your dirt, Maddie. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna download the app because you can use this on your smartphone to set schedules. Okay, so here's the app. We're about to connect this thing to Wi-Fi. So you turn on the robot Wi-Fi. My vacuum just created a Wi-Fi hotspot. This is incredible. I'm going to name it Piggy Pie. Finalizing setup, it says this can take 3 minutes. So we will wait. Okay, it finally did all of it set up, and I can basically do everything that I want to do from my phone, which is fantastic. So I can even go into the settings, you can schedule it, you can add days that you want to clean, and if I'm away traveling, I can even set it from my phone to go and start cleaning. So that's pretty incredible. So here's my little piggy pie. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna hit ready to clean. I love it. This is great. This is how I want to clean it every day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want more information on this awesome Nidovac, I'll put a link in the description. And now I think I'm gonna just sit here and watch it clean. Freaking love the future. The future is here. Maddie, come here, honey! Yeah, you'll clean that up. Oh, it's running into the camera. But don't worry, it's going around it. Maybe I can put the camera on top of it? This is great. Oh. No! Camera down. Oh, hitting the camera again. I'm confusing you, little guy. He's doing a good job, though, going around it. Maddie? Maddie, move. Maddie, move! It's going home. It cleaned the floor, now it's going home. Look at this. Wow. It just finished cleaning the whole room. I just wanted to show you guys. Well, look at these nice patterns. All through here. It went all the way out here. It cleaned it. My mom approved. Look at that. Wow. Let's check the dirt. This is fantastic. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Oh, you're so cute. It says thank you for cleaning. No. Thank you. I'm gonna go take a nap because I'm exhausted from all my hard work. Phew. Tell me everything about your thoughts on the sweater.
I liked it a lot. I saw it at, I forget where, maybe.
Wait, we were together.
With you.